Hey, how's it going? This is a quick video on how to um, use the animation tool in Rhino and actually get a video out of it pretty quickly. Um, so, if you don't know, in this little gear here, there's an animation box. You turn that on, these tools come up here, and what we're going to do here is set up path animation. You want to draw a curve that's basically the track that your camera moves along, and also a point target for your camera to focus on. And that can also be a path, so you could have a curve for your camera track and also a curve that kind of changes the object you're tracking. But this is kind of the simplest way to do it. So we'll set up path animation, select our camera path, select our target, and this window pops up. If you go above 999, the order gets jumbled. The last ones start to come in first before the number one. You want to make sure it's set to PNG. Use whatever window you like, shaded, ghosted X-ray. I'm going with this one here. Just have it set to perspective, and then whatever the animation name is. So now we can preview it. And this is pretty much what the video will look like. The speed, if you wanted to go slower, do more frames. And then record animation, you want to set your location for it, and it should be a dedicated folder without any other files in it. Hit enter, and it takes a little while. It has to save each frame separately as a PNG. So the more frames that you have, the longer this takes as well. I guess if you wanted to do a really elaborate video with a lot of different angles and different tracks and stuff, you would have to have some editing software, but this method you don't need any editing software if you're just going to do one clip. So here's where it's saved. All of those images, and you can watch the animation in this HTML file, but what we're going to do is actually make an MP4, open up the PowerShell in that window, and launch Python. And there's some work you have to do to get this all set up, but once it's set up it works pretty quickly. Import img to vid, and it pops open this this window here. It shows you what it's doing, and when it's done, it says the output video is output MP4. Close that, and here's the video. And that was a little jumpy, but I think that's just because it was loading. Yeah, it's smooth. So that's it. Works pretty quickly. You can delete all those images afterwards. And there's the animation. Yeah, just let me know if you want more details about it. Get that set up if this looks like something that would be useful for you.